That's awesome, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'll just hold on to it, I guess. Hopefully I don't drop it, right? Oh, I had a warm spot.
Take that, fish. Get out of here. That's nice. I can't believe you haven't jumped in that. Like, it feels so much better. I'm not a big. Oh. Wish I had another bottle of water to keep me. Yeah. Well, are we gonna cast in this little area? It's up to you guys. Nice little fish back in here. Yeah, okay, cool, let's go. Plan's still on. Nice little plan. How's that? That's awesome. Saving in the back of stuff because cozy right now and waiting on that breeze. Much needed. Now, for some fish. Still recording? I have no idea. Yeah, it is. Alright. For some fish. Just push the top button.
Good ball. Wow. Sure. right.
It always
Oh,
hurts
shit,
when
he
you.
did bring
It
me
always
back.
hurts when you miss. That was awesome.
Swing, bada, 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 bada.
I'm gonna try and rip at this thing.
Woo!
Wish I would have brought those. Oh, Doparooski. Let's see if it goes straight.
Hold on, hold on. Okay.
No. I think I wasted them all. There.
There you go.
Dandy.
Good shot. Woo!
Little tail.
Oh, nice ball.